Hi, Daniel Parsons, independent business owner with the Life Pharm Company. This is the Regeneration Company. And so I'm not an employee, I'm a commissioned salesperson, and I am authorized to get you products, and I'm your contact person for any support issues. And so this is simply my nameplate from the 2024 cruise on the Mediterranean that Life Pharm awarded us. And so I want to quickly show you this incredible foot charge device. It heats up your feet, has 6 modes, has a little remote control that you can change the modes that you're doing. You can go from low heat to high heat or turn the heat off if you want. And so look how thin it is. It fits easily in my backpack and my carry-on luggage. No problems coming from United States of America to the south of Chile where I am now. So I want to show you real quickly how you can do this. We used freight forwarders for people in Argentina and Chile that were buying the red light terahertz device that Life Pharm has called the CELLNERGY. And so we can do the same thing. And so you would just simply go to, I'll go on share screen. And let me go back and let me add this Life Pharm. So type in a web browser, mylifepharm.com/Daniel. And so that's just mylifepharm.com/Daniel. And so when I enter that website, so now I can come over here and go and share screen and share. Okay, so here we are. Regeneration is the real prescription. So there is my contact information in the headline there. Free shipping on this device. And so you're going to register with a U.S. freight forwarder. So Lemonine, if you're doing a shipment, I would highly recommend getting one of the Echo bottles of Lemonine, which is 120 count. It's roughly just a little under $150 because my auto ship's 155, let's say, rounding it up, and I have to pay a state sales tax on that product. But Lemonine is a stem cell optimizer, and so this, along with the foot charge, will help your body with the regeneration and repair process that the body is so adept at being able to do. So you would just simply click on products and see down here in the bottom. Let me scroll down a little bit more. You've got the CELLNERGY foot charge. And so $465, and that includes your shipping. And so you would just add to the cart. And I didn't go fast enough. And so you would just add to the cart. Here's telling you all of the science behind it. And so you got frequently asked questions, all of the studies. I really am impressed with Life Pharm because they stand by 60-day money back guarantee because their products are so effective. And so they suggest that Omega and then the CELLNERGY Power Cream. And so when you add to cart, now go ahead and hit checkout. Then in this process, there are freight forwarders in Miami. So you would just use a country region of United States, this name and address, put your email there, and then you would use the address of the freight forwarder. And so if you contact me on Telegram, my Chile telephone, my handle on Telegram, t.me/Daniel in Chile. And so I can share with you the freight forwarder that we've used in the past. And so we can get you this device shipped down to Chile or to Argentina, and so, or other places in South America, Central America. So I'll come off a screen share now. And so Daniel Parsons, really happy to be able to get this very effective wellness device into your business or your home. Bye for now.